sure you guys probably heard that I'm doing singing slash voice acting, so I need to know how to have versatile in my voice. So vocal growls, grit, vocal screams, they are all very important. So here's a collection of me trying to do those things. Okay, that was good. Here we go. So, okay, that's good. Okay, now what about exorcist or exorcism? Just exorcise me, get the demons out of me. That was good. Exorcist can't save me now. I swear to you that I'm blind. Please let me die to be found. He speaks for me, who knows that I cry. I'm speaking louder in my own voice, blocked by the voice of a demon inside. I act coy and I trade nice, only to die on the inside. I love my voice. Don't you realize that's never here? No, they nothing they do at all. Don't they know that you at all? I suck at singing Japanese. I try, but it sounds more like experimental. My lovely little language where you can speak complete gibberish and it's only up to people reading your lips to know what you're really saying. I sound like a race car. Do I regret it? No. I do not regret it at all. And here we go. So wow, it's like that one song where they're like the just a I could even do vocal growls in a deeper voice. Yeesh. It's like my voice doesn't know if it wants to be feminine or just be masculine. Which is strange, because I once got told I sound like a 14-year-old guy. And I'm not a guy, so I take that as the biggest compliment. Oh, there's a spider in my room. I have a heel with its name on it. Alakazam, Alakazam, I'm not sending you off this money! Bye, spider. Hope you have a good time in purgatory.